Welcome to Auto Car Update. Today, we're diving deep into the luxurious and sophisticated 2025 Genesis G90. Let's explore everything this flagship sedan has to offer, starting with its striking exterior, then moving on to its luxurious interior, and finally examining its rear design and overall appeal. Let's get started. Exterior design. The 2025 Genesis G90 is a true masterpiece of modern luxury. At first glance, you're drawn to its commanding presence and elegant silhouette. The front fascia is dominated by Genesis's signature crest grille, now featuring a redefined diamond pattern for a bolder, more sophisticated look. Flanking the grille are the sleek and futuristic two-line LED headlamps, which not only enhance visibility but also create a distinctive lighting signature that's instantly recognizable. Moving to the side profile, the G90 showcases a refined balance of elegance and power. The long wheelbase emphasizes its luxury sedan status, while the clean lines and subtle chrome accents exude understated sophistication. The 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels add a touch of sporty flair, completing the G90's commanding stance. The exterior color options for 2025 include a range of metallic and matte finishes, with shades like Muckaloo Gray and Vic Black making a strong impression. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to ensure the G90 turns heads wherever it goes. Interior luxury. Step inside the 2025 Genesis G90, and you're greeted with a cabin that redefines luxury. Genesis has spared no expense in creating an environment that combines cutting-edge technology with top-notch materials. The first thing you'll notice is the exquisite Nappa leather upholstery, available in a variety of colors to suit your taste. Soft-touch materials, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents adorn every surface, elevating the sense of opulence. The driver-focused cockpit is equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a matching 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Additionally, the rotary dial controller in the center console ensures intuitive access to all functions without taking your eyes off the road. Rear passengers are treated to first-class comfort with fully reclining, heated, and ventilated seats. The available rear seat entertainment system features dual 10.3-inch screens, and the premium 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen audio system delivers an immersive listening experience. Ambient lighting with customizable colors and a state-of-the-art air purification system add to the serene atmosphere, making every journey in the G90 a true pleasure. Rear design. As we move to the rear, the 2025 Genesis G90 continues to impress. The two-line LED theme is carried over to the taillights, creating a cohesive and futuristic look. The wide stance is emphasized by the horizontal design elements, which give the car a planted and confident appearance. The trunk features a hands-free smart opening system, making it easy to load and unload cargo. With a spacious 17 cubic feet of trunk space, the G90 provides plenty of room for luggage or golf clubs, ensuring it's as practical as it is luxurious. A subtle diffuser and integrated dual exhaust outlets enhance the sporty vibe while maintaining the car's refined aesthetic. Genesis has truly nailed the balance between elegance and performance with the G90's rear design. The 2025 Genesis G90 is more than just a luxury sedan, it's a statement of sophistication, innovation, and craftsmanship. From its eye-catching exterior to its opulent interior and meticulously designed rear, every aspect of the G90 has been designed to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. If you're in the market for a luxury sedan that rivals the likes of Mercedes-Benz S-Class and BMW 7 Series, the Genesis G90 deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Car Update for more in-depth car reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends. See you in the next video.